Hi friends, happy to bring you all this video and hope everybody is doing well and safe at home. Today will be a very inspiring and motivating video for you all, so don't miss to watch till the end. Everybody in this speed of running life, we all see that we somewhere face the failures in our life, that whatever steps we take for success is ending up in the failures. Today I'm going to share you 10 points that you have to avoid to see a successful life. So first is, fear in your mind has to be taken off. What I tell fear in your mind is, I would like to tell you a small story. One day there was a old gardener and a small boy. Gardener calls a boy and gives him two small plants and says which one will grow fast. So the boy answers cleverly, which plant I pour water regularly and take care of it, that plant will grow faster. So the gardener old man says to the boy, similarly, which plant you grow in your mind, either your fear or your positivity. It might be a negativity or it might be a positivity. So the gardener says that, so which plant you pour more water, that grows faster. So avoid growing your fear in your mind and start growing your positivity. Start growing that mindset that you can achieve anything in this world. So when you start growing that mindset, fear doesn't be in your mind. So this is what is first point I would like to share you all. So remove the fear from your mind that you cannot do anything. So first is remove that. Second is, life is not a rocket science, it is how you design it. Life is just a life, so it is how you design it. If you think it is a gift, then life is a gift. If you think it is a game, then life is a race. If you think it is a war place, then life is a war. So it is in you how you decide your life has to be. You have to design your own life. There is nobody else to come into your life to design it. So don't think that life is a rocket science. No, definitely not. Life is just a life. So you design it how you have to be. Third is, time is more important than your money. Use your time rightly before it goes away. Of course, money is important, but not more than your time. Because money, you can earn it anytime when you really have a time. But once the time goes away, you cannot earn your time again. So it is past is past. Time, once it is gone, is gone. So use your time wisely before it goes off. And the fourth point is, perfect is not better than done. Why I tell this is, some people think that I have to do things very perfectly. Until I finish it perfectly, I will never start this work. So it is actually wrong. When you start doing something, then only you can understand that where you are going wrong, so that you can learn for a perfection. So before even starting the work, you cannot say that I want everything to be perfect. No, it is impossible. So first you have to start doing something to be perfect. That is the fourth one. So being perfect is not better than done. Fifth is, happiness and money are two different things. Don't lose your happiness for making money. People tell that I lost my happiness, I don't see my happiness, I am full stressed out with the work, I have to do that, I have to become like this in my future, I have to build my own house, I have to buy my own costly car, I have to construct an office like this and give jobs for many unemployed. So it is all good dreams. I don't tell it is not actually. So but don't let your happiness for earning money now. So once the happiness goes, it is very hard to recollect it. It is same and equal as a time. Once time goes, you cannot recollect it. Once your childhood happiness goes, you cannot recollect it. There are few people who sacrifice their childhood activities, childhood happiness, and their young youth happiness and youth lives for the sake of family, sacrificing things and family situations, etc. etc. People focus on their works, focus for gaining money and doing something for their families. Yes, it is good, but sacrificing your happiness and doing it is actually not good. So always make sure happiness and money are two different things. Never lose your happiness just for making money. Sixth point is, you cannot impress and satisfy everyone. The very most thing, there are few people that they tell, I have to be good to everybody. Yes, of course you have to be good to everybody, but not everybody accepts your goodness. There are few people who do not accept your goodness, or they don't accept your points whenever you keep it something. There are people who disagree with your points. You might be wrong from your point of view, or you might be right from your point of view, but others might not accept your point of view. So there are people like that, and you cannot satisfy everybody as their needs. You have your own needs, you have your own talent, you have your own thoughts, so you have to implement it and move on. Don't ever think about what people will think. If I do this, what will they think? How do I answer them if I'm doing this? No, never think. Your decision, your life, your success, you have to decide it. So as I told you, life is just a life that you have to design how you have to be. If you think that people will focus on you for doing this, people will pinpoint you for doing this, then you're not designing your life according to you, you're designing your life according to the society. So think and move on for your life. You cannot impress and satisfy everybody in this world. So remember this always. Success comes from ability, not from tools. This is the seventh point. So success will always comes from the ability. So you have to have some ability to achieve something, then is how you will get a success. You cannot just sit in a room and tell, I have to be a multi-millionaire in next year. So you cannot just, that is dreaming, that's all. It is not a success. So you can sit at a room and just say that I have to be, I have to become, that's all. And that goes as a word. It doesn't come under success. So if you have an ability to achieve something, you can achieve anything with anything. I meant, see, few people tells that if I want to become a photographer, I should have a proper HD camera, professional camera, then only I can become a perfect photographer. There are photographers who started their career with their small smartphones. There are few photographers who have done a great success after they started their journey with a small smartphone and started reaching out for many people. After they get an income, with that income they started buying a professional cameras and many professional tools that they need for photography. So that is how the success comes. You cannot say that if I have this particular tool, for example, if I have only this professional HD camera, then is why I will become a perfect photographer, professional photographer. No, even if you start your career, start your successful life with a small one, that will give you great success. So you have to never depend on tools. You just have to have an ability for a success. So if you have an ability, you will definitely see a success. There is a proverb in Tamil saying vallavanukku pullum ayudam. So if you have an ability, even you can use a small grass and become a great achiever. That is how it mentions. So you decide how you have to design your life. Eighth is, don't let your past decide your present and future. There are few things for everybody in our life we have come across. It might be a good ones or it might be a bad ones, anything it might be. But if it is a bad ones that you have come across, don't keep that bad situations or bad scenarios happened in your life to overtake your present or your future. See, you are running for your success in your life. That should not uh, stop because of your past situations. There are few people who tell your past and put you down, but that discouragement should not stop you for running through your success. No, it should not stop you at all. So remember the lessons that past tense has taught you. So remember the people in your past who were there with you, who were cheated you might be, who gave you the good lessons for your life. So remember all those and never stop there. Holding those lessons, always remember you are there to achieve something in your life, to see a great success in your life. Again, I tell you, life is just a life. It is how you design it. It is not a rocket science that somebody else from outside comes and design your life. No, will your people in the past tense comes and design your life in a present or future? No, they talk, they do, they pinpoint, they say negative things and they move on. But your thoughts, how do you take it over? Whether you keep that in your mind and carry forward for your entire life till you die, it is up to you. Or ignore those things and move on for your success, it is up to you. So you have to decide what you have to do. And ninth is, secure is not secure. I say secure is not secure. Being at safe zone always is not safe. So until you are ready to take a risk, you cannot see a success. I hope you understand. If suppose you are a mountain climber, if you are not ready to take a risk in your initial stage, if you are not ready to take a step, move forward, that I have to climb this mountain in this particular days and I have to finish and make a Guinness record without even taking a risk, how can you say that I'm gonna achieve this? No, it is not possible, right? So always staying at your safe zone will not help you. There are few people, when there is a problem, they don't come out at all. They stay back and say, I am not interfering, or it is not good to interfere when it is really not good to. Okay, but when it is necessary to interfere in certain things, you have to actually interfere, not to stay on your safe zone and say, I'm good, I have to take a good name from all the people. No, it is not. When you feel something is going wrong, put on your point in the public. It doesn't matter what. So you have to be in a safe zone for certain things, not for everything. So secure is not secure always. When you are not ready to take risk in your life, you cannot achieve anything in your life. So take a risk. When you speak something boldly and pinpoint something that is wrong for someone, until then you will not understand the path of the life, the struggles of the life. You will never understand. How long will you be a safe zone under your parents only? You have to come out from your parents' safe zone and take a step to achieve something in your life. That is where is you come out safe zone from your schools and move on to colleges and then to your career. That is how you come out slowly from your parents' safe zone. You being 30-40 year old son to your parents, and still you're, if you're under your parents' comfort zone, will it be okay for the society? Will anybody agree that? No, right? So secure is not secure always. So safeness will not be safe at every time. In certain thing, you being safe is good. And tenth, last but not least, So I would like to tell you, ignore worrying and start living your life for success. Because if you keep on worrying for the things which had already happened and completed, if you're still worrying and sitting that this had happened to me, this had happened to me, this had happened to me, no, how do you take a next step forward to achieve in your life? I hope you are getting my point, what I'm telling. So, if you stop worrying about the things that hurted you back and move on for the things which is going to give you a great happiness, start living for your own life. I again tell you, life is just a life, so it is how you design it. It is how you design it. Nobody else will come to design your life. I again stress, underline this word and tell you, you have to design your own life. So understand clearly, and these are the 10 key points for successful life. So if you want to success something in your life, if you want to achieve something great in your life, these are the 10 points that you have to really avoid and start doing things. Okay, so I quickly recall everything. First is remove fear from your mind and grow positivity in your mind. Second, life is not a rocket science, life is how you design it. Third is time is important than your money. Fourth is perfection is not better than done. Something has to be done before it is perfect. And fifth is happiness and money are two different things. Don't ever combine it. Don't ever live your happiness just for the sake of making money. Sixth point is you cannot impress and satisfy everybody in this world. Everyone has their own point of view. So lead your life as per your point of view. Seventh is success comes from ability, not from tools. So don't expect any tools for your success. Whatever you have with you right now, start from that. You for you to see a great success in your life. And eighth is don't let your past decide your present and future. Never ever depend on your past things to decide your present and future. So you decide what you have to be. Ninth is secure is not secure always. So don't be in a safe zone every time. Come out of your safe zone and start taking risk to achieve greater things in your life. 10th is ignore worrying and start living. Somebody says something to you, just ignore. If it is positive, take the positivity. If it is negative, just ignore and move on. That is where you can see a successful in your life. So I hope this video was very helpful to everybody. Thanks for watching till now. Meet you all on the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Life is just a life, it is how you design it. God bless you.